Hi, happy Wednesday. I know right now I'm missing you guys a lot, and I hope you're doing well. I know you're being amazing learners. So wanted to take it to the next step today for reading. We're going to take the blank graphic organizer that you did yesterday, and you're going to view the resources in Epic and the videos. I've provided some there. And then after you've done that, try to be making a list of some of the ones that are interesting to you the most, and then pick your top four. So that's what I've done here as an example. Your middle piece looks the same as mine, and it looks the same as everybody else's in the class. But these are what you think. So these were just my top four that interested me. Yours might be different. Yours is probably different, and I hope it's different, and it's going to be different from each of the students. So after you've viewed the resources, the books and the videos, be thinking of your top four. It could be something you visited before and you just want to learn more about, or it could be one that you're going to try to get your parents to take you on when the time is right to do that. So go ahead and fill in your top four, and then we'll take it to the next step tomorrow. Oh, Phoebe, come here. I want to introduce you to my puppy real quick. Phoebe, 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 come here. Here she is. Okay. She's helping me work and prepare. So say hi to my class. Say hi. She's saying hi. She's sending you good love and good wishes this week. Okay, bye guys. More tomorrow. I know you're doing great, and I'll check in with you tomorrow.